I'll be trying out this brow soap from the Brow Bizz, and to be honest, it looks cute, so I hope it'll look cute on me too. So let's G! Okay, first, I will moisturize and prep my skin using this Aqua Moisturiser from iWhite. And girl, of course, concealer for my under eye and to hide some of my pimple marks I got from wearing a mask. Just so you know guys, I am not a big fan of wearing liquid foundations. I only apply concealer. I don't know why, but girl, concealer is my best friend though. After blending, I'm going to use this Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation all over my face. I'm just going to apply a bit of contour on my nose. Ever Bilena matte blush in the shade Rosewood for my blush. And of course, we need to curl our lashes before we put our mascara. Maybelline Total Temptation for my lashes. And for my brows, I'll be using this brow soap from the Brow Bizz. So this is what it looks like. It has a matte black pouch. And as I open the pouch, it contains one spoolie. Yes, only one spoolie. And this yellow paper that includes its shelf life and expiry upon opening. This is what the actual product looks like. I super love the packaging, its color combination, the black and yellow. It's a 10 for me. Plus, here's my spoolie that was gently bent for easier application. Just so you know guys, this product contains 50 grams. Yes, that's a lot. Okay sis, first I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. Yeah, like that. Using this face mist from Fresh Skin Lab, I'm just going to spray this onto the spoolie for it to easier to pick up the brow soap. Just brush the spoolie on the brow soap until enough product is on it. Next is I'm just going to brush this spoolie through my brows upward, and I'm just going to use some Q-tips to remove the excess. I'm just going to use a brow pomade to fill in and extend my brows. And just so you know girl, this is optional, okay? I don't have a perfect brow, so yeah. Color it from my highlighter. Blending is the key. I'll be using this Blair Velvet Mousse on my lips. And I'm going to apply this one on my inner lips. And of course, setting spray. Girl. Girl, I super like it. Look at my brows. In all fairness, girl, I super duper love this brow soap. Plus, it really gives you that natural finish of bushy brows. And that's all for today, sis. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vid.